so that I do this, and then I do this to get HP. We're gaming now, Nimi.
I made an AoE of some sort.
Your yellow AoE?
Yeah.
Your orb of...
Wait, watch. Look, I learned how to aura walk. What? Check my aura. Hold on. Isn't that pretty cool?
How do I emote? I would kneel if I could.
Bow down. The only problem is I have to do it while walking slowly, and it's a little hard to walk at the exact right speed.
Wait, how do I emote? Oh, I figured it out. Yes. Do I have a kneel? Bow.
Oh, I'm honored. Menu and then Y. Oh!
I've never seen such aura before. This aura.
Yay!
It is too powerful. This aura. Stop. All right, I'm back.
Welcome back.
I'm gonna try to distract the boss when we're in there, so you guys can.